This is a video I'm doing on a 99 to 2007 classic Chevy Silvrado or Sierra or Tahoe's, any GmbH basically. The computer is next to your battery. Right here is covered with this like plastic cover. It's next to like the fuse box right here. What you gotta do right here, it has like a little clamp. You pull this out, and then over here on this side it has another one right there. And then you just press it down and it comes off. It comes off like that. This is your computer. This is for when you are out of state. I'm from California and you want to tune. I can throw you in a pretty nice, like they call it, email tunes. So you will send me this computer and I will modify it, send it back to you with all your mods, or I will send you a already modified computer and you will just put it in there. It takes a little bit of time. So this one is usually clap on there and you just clap it back out. On this side, these are the two plugs. There's 1 and 2. You have to loosen those up. Loosen them up. It's a number 7, the socket to it. So you loosen them up, and this, just when they loose, you just push them out a little bit, and they should come off. And then you just take this little plastic, you just push a little bit up, and it should come off. Here it is. It's really easy. Right here. Make sure you use socket number 7 for it. And then after that, you just press it right here. It should come off one. And then this one, they just snap off like that. And then you put them to the side. And then you're ready to take your computer out. Try to do this with no help. So you put this up, computer comes off like that. And to put it back on is the same thing. You make sure you align those. The computer is gonna go this way. The flat side is gonna go inside. This snap on. It's not going over. And then right here you do the same. The red wire goes in the inside. The blue wire goes through the outside. And then you just tighten it back on and put the cover back in. We should be good to go. My next video is gonna be how to rip in the 4i80. If you have a 4i60 to 4i80, I'm gonna do that video next. And then the other video will be how to repin change the radiator to the bigger radiator and put the E-fans, electric fans, and how to repin them to the computer too. So it's a lot to it. And then I have another video coming, how to change the intake manifold and change the fuel rails and change the injectors to a better intake manifold. So I'm putting this one in it, and also I'm gonna put in that same video the throttle body, the bigger throttle body. So keep checking the channel for anything, any questions, anything tuning relating, Chevy. Probably doing some videos on the new one too.